Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the Nasdaq futures as they're experiencing some selling pressure here. We're seeing them down now over 2% for the day, pushing down to the lowest level in almost a month. And as we continue to realize further selling pressure, the Nasdaq futures now down 4 out of the last 5 trading sessions and currently trading right around the 14,000 level. And I think when you look at some of the factors contributing to the selling pressure today, continuation of the concerns from an inflation standpoint, then that transfers into interest rate expectations as interest rates, not only here in the United States, but from a global perspective, continue to push higher. And we're seeing many of the yields on various durations up to multi-year highs, and therefore it's putting some pressure, particularly on the growth names that are centric to the Nasdaq, as those future earnings are discounted as interest rates are shift higher. Couple that with now the inflation environment, and it appears not only the Fed but other central banks are firmly in the camp that they need to take action to slow down some of the inflation in the system. And that's resetting economic forecasts moving forward. And therefore, I think that's the other factor contributing to why we're seeing selling pressure here in the equity markets, also selling pressure in the energy space. When you look at crude oil today, selling pressure there. So we're seeing a little bit of, I guess, money coming out of areas that could potentially be impacted by slowing of the economy and shifting into other areas. And so today, when you look at the Nasdaq, we are seeing the Nasdaq now pushing down to the lower middle of the range here for the last several months. Really from the middle of January on, we had the low end of the range of about 13,000 and the top end of the range of 15,300, and now we're right around 14,000. So trending back down to the middle of this trading range here for the last couple of months as the markets continue to realize further selling pressure as interest rates continue to move higher.